Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Pad X8a, and today I'll show you how we can insert SD card into this tablet. So, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your buttons, and using your little tool, you want to push it in there, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for an SD card, so plop it on here, like so, and then insert it back into your device. There we go. And the card should start working right away. Let's see if we get any kind of notification. Looks like we are not getting a notification, so I'm just gonna go into the settings and then see that in here, that's where the storage is. Nope. Oh, there we go, storage. And here we have our memory card. So it is detecting it, just doesn't let us know. But anyway, that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.